It started as a small curiosity, but after 10 days, the difference in his demeanor was wild. He used to hit the couch immediately after dinner, but lately he is busy organizing his workspace or hitting the gym. It is almost like he discovered a new source of fuel for his body.